What is up, you guys? So, good news. I got the CRX to run on its own. It's exciting. I'm excited. So I'm gonna show you guys today the first startup of the J32 and the CRX. So yep, stay tuned and let's see how it goes. Picked up a sweet little KMotor braided line that runs from the stock fuel filter to right here, and that's gonna feed my fuel. And then it has the regulator right on top right here, which will return back into its original spot, which is back here. Send the fuel back to the return one. Alright, so I'm just gonna get to it and try to show it, record it, but if I can't, then sorry. Maybe next time. If you have any questions, just let me know. In case you're wondering what throttle cable I'm running, it's just a stock CRX one. It works perfect. Might be the B series one off of DA because I had a B series lock in here, but I forget it was already in here when I got swapped in the car. So yeah, it fits perfect. You don't have to get a custom one, just use your CRX one or your B series one, it'll work. Shifter in, ECU in. Oh my gosh, look at this wiring mess. Woo. Yeah, let's not look at that. Woohoo! Damn! Alright. Y'all don't know how excited I am about this thing starting. It's insane. It's freaking loud as hell. Super loud. But damn, it is running, guys. It's time to put it all back together and get it to the ground and do a test drive. But woo, I'm excited. Heart's pumping. Excited. Woo. Can't wait. Can't wait. But still some stuff need to finish up on it, like the transmission mount. I want to make sure I get that done first before I put it down on the ground. Besides that, I had issues with it not starting for the past few days, but I figured it out, and it is the immobilizer. So I had that removed, but I need to send it in to get that fixed so that it doesn't throw a check engine light, and probably it won't let me go past maybe 5,000 RPM because of the immobilizer. So hopefully once I send it in and get that removed and fixed, it will allow me to fully run the stock ECU on this J30 swap. J32, I mean. Damn. It's running, guys. This thing is running, guys.